Hey guys, today I would like to show you how to treat keys in a drum and bass track to get better transients. Let's listen to what we have. I'm going to start by adding a utility plugin. I'm gonna set it to bass mono and we'll set it to 400 Hz. Next, I am going to open Transify by JST. I will enable my mids and my highs. We'll set my high attack to 4 and my mids to 3. And on the low mids, I will reduce my sustain. And finally, I am going to use Waves Enigma. I will set my notches to 5. I will set my feedback to 10 and my delay to 0.05. We'll put our density to 53. We'll set our frequency to 150 and our X factor to 0.73. We'll leave our mix at 25. We'll set our pre-delay to 0.23. We're going to use a sine wave instead. We'll set our rate to 0.49. We'll set our depth to 17 and the frequency to 67, and we're ready to listen to it. Here is before. After. Try it and let me know what you think.